Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe in diamond black crystal pearl. With adaptive cruise control, active lane management system, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7591B.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.